Chris, bro, tell me a little bit about this location.
So this location, we're located in Central Florida, off of US 27 and I-4. We've been established here for a year. Southwestern's been here for a year, and it's a growing community. It's a heavy trucking city, and we're here to service our clients.
For sure. And I know you guys have that Geico sign out there.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes. Geico's been very good to us, very good to the trucking market. They give excellent rates, and what better company than Geico? It's under the Berkshire branch, and it's just a well-established company, and it's good for. We like to offer products that our clients feel comfortable with.
Yeah, quality products. And then anybody driving down that street, what street is that?
And so this is 1792.
1792. Anybody driving down there, they see the Geico sign, they know that this is where it's at.
This is where we're located. 1792 goes as far as to Tampa. You can catch US 17 in Tampa, and it'll take you straight to our doorstep.
Nice, nice. So I know, Chris, you've been doing this for a very long time. So tell me about a couple of the coverages that you write here in this office.
Well, we specialize in trucking insurance. Any type of commercial auto, whether it is a cargo van, whether it is a box truck, semi trucks, dump trucks. We do offer a wide market for our clients. But besides the commercial auto aspect of the business, we also write different coverages like general liability and workers' comp for contractors. We are able to get excess policies for contractors or even for the commercial auto part. And we do have an excellent market, and we're sure to get you a great rate.
Yeah, so that's another thing that we like to stress here at Southwestern, and that's every single person like Chris is a true trucking expert. So aside from the phenomenal prices that we give, people like Chris can help guide your business in the direction that you want to go to be profitable. So Chris has an extensive knowledge, not only on just commercial general liability and stuff like that, but when it comes to true trucking insurance, he's an expert in this field. For example, you're an Amazon hauler, you want to haul for Amazon. Chris can let you know, hey, if you're starting a business, you want to haul for Amazon, you might have to wait 6 months to get an Amazon contract. Chris is the type of person to tell you that up front. He also knows that the coverages for Amazon are going to be 50,000 trade interchange, 1 million liability, general liability, 1 million, 2 million, right?
Correct.
And then cargo for 100,000. Another thing that you would probably tell them is that, hey, if you have a box truck, you don't need trade interchange.
Correct.
So these are the type of things that a person like Chris is a true expert in the space, and he'll help guide you in this process. You don't have to ask ChatGPT what coverages you need. This is a person that knows.
Yeah, I would like to add that sometimes you're able to get coverages with somebody that doesn't have as much experience. And what I've come across, and this happens to a lot of clients, believe it or not, an agent will sell them a policy, and it's not what they need.
Yeah.
And then they have to start over again, give a 20% down payment,
And they lose that other down payment.
and they lose the other down payment, and it is on top that it takes you back financially. You're also spending time time goes by so quick, and the quicker that you're making money, the quicker everything starts flowing positive.
Yeah, and that's it, but it really sucks because, you, myself, and everybody else at Southwestern, we really take an emphasis on taking care of the client.
Yes.
We're here for the long run, and I really don't understand why people do that. Like, if you want someone to refer more business to you, why are you selling them a fake policy? Why are you putting a dump truck as a landscaper when we know that Progressive will do the underwriting within a couple months? They'll see what's going on. They'll realize hey, there's something fishy here. They increase your rate like 3-4 times, and who do
Yes.
they end up calling up back? Us, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Where you could have gotten it correct the first time, some people just decide to shop around, and obviously, if a policy is not rated correctly, it might look good, but it's not what you need.
Yeah, and we welcome people to shop around, right?
Yeah.
We don't have no problem with you shopping around, but If you tell me, hey, I got a quote with Progressive at 8,000 and we're at 22,000,
Something's wrong.
something's wrong,
Yeah.
right? And that's why we always, Chris, I mean, tell me if I'm wrong. We typically ask them, hey, send me the quote, send me what they're sending you. Let me
Yes.
at least look at it. Maybe I did something
Yes.
wrong. And if I did something wrong, go ahead, go with that other agent.
Yes.
But a lot of people in the space, for some reason, they're in it for the quick buck, right?
Correct.
And they just want to sell a policy just to sell a policy and make ends meet. We're not like that here. We're here for the long run. What we sell you is correct. We sell quality products. And then we also give great customer service. And I know Chris is one of the people that we have in our office that gets by far the most compliments on his customer service. So Chris, tell us a little bit about your customer service, how you cater to clients.
So I thank you. Thank you for that. But I treat clients how I want to be treated. When I speak to clients, I let them know black and white, this is what it is. You're not going to get disappointed. Might not be what you want to hear, but you're going to hear the truth, right? And I go home with a clean conscience, knowing that I said what I needed to say.
Yeah.
It is up to the clients to use their better judgment on how they want to use the information that I provided to them.
For sure.
So for me, to be honest with you, there's no better feeling than receiving a compliment or receiving a referral. I work a lot off of referrals, and it works for me. And I take great pride of the work that I do and what I put out.
You always answer your phone. Everybody has your cell phone number.
Everybody has my phone. Just doesn't stop ringing. It's
Even,
a blessing.
Even for this podcast, we have to put your phone on silent.
On silent. It's a blessing, and sometimes you feel overwhelmed with the amount of calls.
Yeah.
But this is what we signed up for.
Yeah.
And I believe this is part of me growing within the insurance industry, and I won't have it any other way.
For sure. And everybody, I know from the feedback that I've received from customers, you treat everybody like family. Like, the people calling is almost like your daughter's calling you, right?
Yes.
And even we told you to put it on silent.
Yes.
You went over there and you responded to everybody like,
Yeah.
hey, I'm doing something real quick. I'll call you back. I know that's what you did. I saw you do it right now.
Yes.
So again, you treat everybody like family, which is great. And like, we're super happy to have you on board.
Thank
We're
you.
super happy to have you part of our team.
Thank
you so
you.
much, Chris.
I really appreciate it. This is home for me, and these are my brothers, and I know I could count on them. Whether it is advice that I need, personal advice, or advice that I need off of the work that I'm performing, I know I have somebody that I could count on.
Thank you, Chris. All right, guys. Catch you next time.